I know the way the road ends. I'm reminded of beginning. Take a look at all that.
So here we are cruising down 90, just leaving Billings, and there's a story to be told.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
We were on our Corona vacation, 2020, and the trailer had been bent up, the awning, the Dometic 8500. They put a new awning on it when we bought it, and unfortunately it got left out. The rain came down, collapsed the awning, and then we put it back up, but we were always looking for an awning tube. So we were leaving Billings on this very same road at this very same moment, and going down the road. Back then diesel was super cheap, so we were kidding about it, costing us 70 cents to turn around and go back. We saw in the grass a awning. It looked like a RV had rolled over and had left a bunch of stuff in the grass, and it looked like there was an awning there. So we went down to the next exit and came back. We needed a 21-foot Dometic 8500 awning tube, and I didn't have a tape measure, but I did have an air hose. So we measured the distance from one mount to the other with the air hose, and we walked down to this wrecked awning that was in the grass. It was just past the little town of Laurel. So we stretched out the hose and measured it, and lo and behold, it was 21 feet. The tube that I could have bought for around $700 to replace was aluminum, and this one was steel. So we cut most of the awning off of the tube, and as we're cutting it, we found out that it was a steel tube, Dometic 8500. The old trailer had a pass-through through the back and under the bed, so we were able to put it inside the trailer. And then we took it to John's, my roommate from flight school, my brother from another mother, and we put it in his front yard. And over a couple of weeks, we ordered parts from Amazon. Go figure. We got a new spring assembly that goes in it, and we evened it out, leveled it out, and put it all together, and lo and behold, it worked. And as far as we know, it's still working like a charm. And it was just one of those chances. What are the odds to find the exact, and I do mean the exact length that you need, and the exact same tube, because it was an 8500. The best part about it was steel instead of aluminum, and just one of those stories from the road. There's lots of stories we could tell, but it pays to keep your head on a swivel and keep looking for things, especially in Montana. We just never thought the thing that we'd be searching for, that we'd find, would be an awning tube. So stay tuned for more, and if you're a part of the Adventurers Club or the Name Gang, make sure you look for some of the new videos coming out.